Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Canva Dreamlab tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly use the Canva Dreamlab here. Well, the first thing you want to do here is you want to go to canva.com, log into your account. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go to the left panel here and you want to access Dreamlab. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, before we start creating our images here, so by the way, if you're not aware yet, this actually, or Dreamlab here, allows you to create images, which in this case, you could basically create images here for free, but we do have some limit here. Like for example, if you're limited to 20 creations here, if I'm not mistaken, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to create more. But yeah, so in this case, you could first start adding some parameters. So you have add image here. Now, if you want to basically choose a style preference, or use content reference or image to image here, but currently they are still in progress, so you might not be able to use that. But you could go and choose style reference here if you want to reference a style from an image, which in this case something really cool if you really like the style that you're currently or you're aiming for. Now also you have the smart option here. The smart option here allows you to add style to whatever your creation is going to be. We have smart, cinematic concept, creative, macro, and a lot more. So for example, I want to choose cinematic. Now from here, you could also select your aspect ratio. So by default, it's going to be 16:9. But you could also choose 1:1, 4:3, and a lot more. So you can go and choose whichever size. Now from here, you need to start describing whatever you want. So in this case, the most important thing that you need to remember here when creating images or generating images here is to be specific what you want to see on your creation. So for example, I want to see a flying dog here that is holding a magic wand. So in this case, I'm going to type in flying dog holding a magic wand and make sure that everything is correct here. But in this case, once you specify this, oh, by the way, if you want to see something in the background, like for example in the field, or if it's not, go ahead and specify that. But in this case, it's really important that you specify what you want to see here. So be specific about it. Let's go and click on create. So this will use 1 credit. As you can see, it's now going to be 19. So I can still generate like 19 more if this doesn't suit what I'm looking for. But yeah. As you can see, this is our creation. So you have this dog here, like what I said before, depending on what you want to see. Like for example, you want to see German Shepherd, or if you want to see a Shih Tzu, or whatever dog you want to see here, make sure to specify that in your prompt. But yeah, so you could go ahead and click on it. You could go ahead and edit this design. You can even copy the image, download the image, or even delete the image just in case. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.